And Mini Morris. The 2 cards of Mr. Bean. And not forgetting the Joe and none other than Mr. Rui right inside from Shikali. And the yellow fox bacon. Come on, hurry up slowly. We request some of the bike owners as well to join in. The bike owners, all the bike owners, please give a kick to your bike and get into the rally for the flag off. It is going to be a wonderful sight on the streets of Panjim to watch the vintage car passing by. Those cars which once upon a time had all the glory on the road. The glory is brought back today at the Goa Vintage Car and Bike Festival. And here we have the next car. What car is this? Fiat Ambassador. And a win. William de Costa and the great car of Afonso, the Maruti 800, the first of its kind when it was just released in 1983. And here we have the Tempo car, the great Tempo, once upon a time from his mines to his office, and Triumph car. Bike motorcycle Rajdoot Ambassador, original Ambassador, where all our topi wales would move. Mustang, Mercedes with a career. All the way from Tamil Nadu. Mercedes all the way from Tamil Nadu. Can we have some Vespas coming in? Give them some place to come this side, Vespa. Yes, go sir. Go. Lambretta and what is that? Amity. Vespa, the lady from Mumbai, came all the way with the yellow Vespa and with her father with the Puduve red Vespa and orange Vespa and Lambi and Vijay and Ariel. We now have Mercedes after Mercedes. And this Mercedes comes from Karnataka, from the state, our neighboring state of Karnataka. As you know, all great people from Karnataka move in the Mercedes Benz. Hello. We would request all the